Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. I missed y'all, man. I missed my family, of course. Today, man, Who Day, Super Bowl Sunday, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Cincinnati, so you know what I'm saying, I'm repping my city. I'm an Eagles fan, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying, I'm a Bengals native, local, you know what I'm saying, so I got support my city, and of course, like that. So we gonna get that dub today. Of course, comment down below who you got. You got the Rams, you got the Bengals. You see my Joe Shiesty shirt on, you know what I'm saying? You know I'm representing my Bengals, you know what I'm saying, from my city. But today, man, we doing our on feet in-hand review of these retro 5s. They call them Racer Blue, I believe. I don't know the exact name of this shoe because it be so many different names of this shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm calling them Racer Blue. I guess I'm gonna do an on feet and in-hand review. Picked up a couple pairs yesterday, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I hit a couple pairs, you know what I'm saying? Here go a little snippet of, you know what I'm saying? Couple sizes, of course, man. But shout out to my boy Heart and Souls, of course. Much love. Appreciate you as always. You can cash me out, of course, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Of course, I just started a page with my Brody, the one I always look out for me on the shoes, you know what I'm saying? So me and him, you know what I'm saying, together doing, you know what I'm saying, reselling page, you know what I'm saying, of course. So if you want to go ahead and follow that page called Junkie Kicks, go ahead over there. You know what I'm saying? Got some stuff coming real soon. Like I said, I'll be working in case I'm not posting on YouTube or anything like that. Like I said, I'm working on different stuff, all that good stuff. But like I said, head over to that page called Junkie Kicks. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and follow that page, like I said. But of course, shout out to my boy Heart and Souls for definitely cashing me out. You know what I'm saying, on these pairs. But we ain't here talking to me about, you know what I'm saying, the Bengals. You ain't talking about that. We're here to talk about these shoes, man. But make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Not further ado, man, let's go and get to the video. Yesterday's shoes came out on the Foot Locker app, Champs, and I believe the Sneakers app. My bad, Sneakers app, Finish Line, basically all local sites. But I ain't gonna lie, this shoe was definitely limited. But I think a lot of more stores will get this shoe, like Champs. No Champs stores got this shoe. I didn't hit no raffles on Champs, but I hit most of my pairs on like Foot Locker and Kids Foot Locker. But on like Champs, no one had it in Champs where I'm from. But pretty sure where you from, I'm pretty sure Champs had them. And I think Finish Line did, I think First Come First Serve where I'm from a little bit. A couple Finish Lines did. But it's all good, man. We got the size, got my personal size. But you know what I'm saying, like I said, I'm not keeping these at all. You know what I'm saying? But this shoe not bad to keep in your collection. It's just not really, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a big retro 5 person anyway. But let's go get that shoe out, man. Here they go, man. Retro 5 box. You got your red Jumpman right in the middle. Got your red Jordan Jumpman right there. Got the Air right there, of course. You got your boy size, 11.5. My size always the hardest size to find, and the money size, man. It'd be crazy. It says Air Jordan 5, Retro, Black, Racer Blue. Okay, 11.5. Retail was $200. By the way, the whole retail thing was going crazy when I was getting these pairs. 1 minute it was $200, another minute $210. I'm like, hold on. No, I said $200. Lady arguing with me all that. I said, bruh, it is $200, not no $210. I wasn't getting too frustrated, but she was trying to argue with me. I was like, bro, you know what? You got it. Nowhere. I just paid $10 extra now. It don't even matter, bro, because I was just getting so zoned out. Like, bro, all right. Like, it was just getting annoying. But let's go get this shoe out, man. Who Day? It's like, now, bang, here they go, man. The Racer Blue Retro 5s, man. I ain't gonna lie, this colorway is a clean colorway. The whole upper of the shoe is suede, by the way, in case y'all wondering. So make sure you spray like some crep or any protector for the upper of the shoe, because like if it rain or anything like that, you ain't got no protector, it's gonna start getting soaking wet and all the other stuff. You don't want that happening. So make sure you spray some protector on these shoes for sure. That's the most definitely on them.
Only ref for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram on fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the...
Here they go, man. Like I said, the Retro 5 Racer Blue came out yesterday. Retail was $200. The grade school size is really doing good. Actually, the shoe ain't doing too bad. As like I said, a lot of stores ain't get a lot of pairs, anything like that. So be on the lookout for people getting late shipments on these shoes. So be on the lookout for that, man. But let's go and talk about that shoe, man. So on the outsole of the shoe, of course, you got your ice outsole. Right here, you got the blue Jumpman. Right in the middle, it says that Jordan stamp right there. Spells out Jordan. Let's go to the toe box of the shoe. So like I said, the whole upper of the shoe is suede. You got your 3M tongue with your blue Jumpman. You got your lace lock right here. And right here on the side, you got your shark teeth. You got your black shark teeth. Hence of that blue on the bottom of the shoe. You got your cage right here on the side panel of the shoe. Also got your cage right here inside of the shoe as well. Got your little hints, a little one shark teeth right here on the side of the shoe. Inside of the shoe, you got your white Jumpman. Move lace. Got your white Jumpman. Inside the tongue, it says Air Jordan. Like I said beforehand, got your 3M tongue. You can tell it's a reflective 3M tongue. Nothing too crazy on these retro 5s, man. Nothing too crazy, man. But overall, the shoe, I get about a 7.5, 8 out of 10. Maybe because I'm not a big retro 5 type of person, but these not bad at all. These not bad at all, but like I said, 7.5 out of 10, that's not bad at all. Comment down below, man. Let me know you hit on Foot Locker, hit on Champs, anything like that. Let your boy know down below, man. But let's go and get this on feet going, man. Ready to put these things on feet. This ain't gonna look bad, like I said, but we gonna see how they look, man. But like and subscribe if you're new. Be right back, man. Joe Shiesty, who day? Let's get it.
Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Hey, you will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee, but I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
Yes, sir. Back from my own feet. I ain't gonna lie, put them on feet don't look too bad. Maybe because the joggers I got on. By the way, the joggers I have on, I got from Pakistan, I believe. Yeah, I got from Pakistan. In case y'all know, y'all be wondering, you know what I'm saying, fits I be getting from. Got the pants from Pakistan. They was about $60, I believe. $60. But like I said, these retro 5s don't look bad on feet. So I gave y'all two different looks. One with the lace lock. A lot of people wear their shoes with the lace lock just like this. Or if I wear retro 5s, I would wear it just like this. I don't like the lace lock on there, but I wear them just like this. But not a bad look. Now I got them on feet, got them in hand a little bit better. I get about an 8.5 out of 10. Went up a whole letter grade, but like I said, it's not bad at all. Went up a whole letter grade on this shoe. But I won't go back on the suede. So the upper of the suede is like a rough suede a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see this, like a rough suede on the upper of the shoe. It's not like a smooth suede. Got a little bit of smooth suede, but some like more of on the rough side. So like I said, make sure you spray some protector on this shoe because like I said, if it rains or anything like that, it's gonna get real rough out here for it. So this suede on the upper is not like a smooth suede. It's like a little more on the rough side. So make sure you spray some stuff, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. But comment down below, man. Let me know, like I said, who you got today. For one, the Bengals or Rams. And also comment down below, man. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? You want on Sneakers app, Foot Locker, Finish Line. You know what I'm saying? Any local site below. Let your boy know down below, man. That's it for this video, man. Oh, size on the retro 5s. So retro 5s, I feel like they run true to size because I got 11.5. I could fit 11 too, but 11.5 fits me perfectly fine. So either or will work best for you. You know what I'm saying? But retro 5s definitely get true to size for sure. Because after a while, I even got these tied up and it's a wide shoe. It's not like a narrow shoe, anything like it's a wide shoe. So Like I said, go true to size on the retro 5s for sure. But yeah, like I said, man, as if it's video, man, like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Who day? Let's get this dub today. Celebrate the Super Bowl win. You know what I'm saying? Later on today, man. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Like I said beforehand, man. Make sure to follow all my pages down below. My TikTok, my reselling page, my personal page, shoe page, all that good stuff, man, down below. I appreciate it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Let's get this dub today, man. J1 is out. Peace.